Hello everyone, I hope you all will be in the sound health. Today we have to do the kinetic theory of the gases unit. In the kinetic theory of gases, first we have to learn about what are the gases actually. Gases are the fluids. Gases are the fluids which have very loose bonding in between them. The molecules of gases are held together by very less bonding. There are basically two types of gases, ideal gas and real gas. Ideal gases are those in which almost no interaction is there. Means no bonding is there, they are almost free to move. Their size are quite negligible as compared to the surrounding. Means quite small that we consider them as a point. But in actual reality, the gases are not like that. They are in reality, or real gases have some force, van der Waals forces between them, and their part, if we consider their size, it's not a point size, it means it's not negligible. They even also exert pressure on each other and also the wall of the container. And apart from this, they both have different equation of thermodynamics. So starting with the this chapter for the kinetic theory of gases, we consider the gases to be ideal here. We consider the gases to be ideal. So there are few assumptions. First, gases are composed of tiny particle or the molecule. They are composed of very small particles. Means they are considered to be point size. Gas molecules are constant, rapid, straight line motion. That for them kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. We consider them to they have, after striking with each other, they move in a straight linear path. Collision between the molecule are completely elastic. It means when they collide with each other, they do not lose their momentum, total energy, and also the kinetic energy. These all three factors remain same when they collide with each other. It means there is no exchange of energy, even not the kinetic energy. The molecule of a gas have no attraction or repulsion between them. It means they do not interact with each other. Last is each molecule in a gas has a different velocity. This all are the assumption of the kinetic theory of gases. On the behalf of this, we will find the pressure exerted by the gases on the wall of a closed container. So this is all assumption are to be considered while finding the expression for the pressure that we will find in the next video.